Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the settings. Okay, in settings, find the general option and tap on it. Then scroll through the menu, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the display settings. And here you should see the brightness option. Once you see it, tap on it, and right here you should see 3 levels of brightness. We have low, medium, and high. Select the one you like, and once you select it, or rather, to select it, tap on it basically. And after you select it, it should be apply. And then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen brightness or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.